Imagine this, you are in Dubai and you see your dream apartment and in just 30 seconds swap, it is yours. Sound like a Bollywood plot twist, right? But for many Indians, this quick swap has led to legal trouble back home. Let's uncover why. Dubai developers often let you pay property amounts on your international credit card, and it is fast, it is tempting, and with UAE property sales at record high, many Indians has jumped in. But here is a catch. What is convenient in Dubai can be illegal in India. In India, the law splits overseas spendings into the two buckets. One, current account transactions means everyday expenses like travel, shopping, hotels, totally fine with your credit card. Second, capital account transactions, buying property, investing abroad. These need special permissions and must go through banking channels. This is under FEMA, Foreign Exchange Management Act, and the RBI is the rule keeper. Swap your card for property and you have just turned a capital transaction into a current one, which is a big no-no. Let me tell you the correct way. The liberalized remittance schemes or LRS. Under LRS, every Indian resident can spend up to $250,000 per year abroad for buying property. But you need to fill Form A2, your PAN card, and yes, a 20% TCS upfront. Painful? Maybe, but it keeps you on the right side of the law. Several Indians who swapped their way into Dubai properties got flagged by the tax authorities. The result? Notices, penalties, and many more cases. They scramble to cancel the payment and redo it legally via LRS. In UAE, credit cards are accepted for bookings, but there is a catch. High interest, foreign exchange fees, and from Feb 2025 onwards, banks here stopped financing certain fee upfront. So, even if it is legal in Dubai, you still need to follow Indian rules. So, use LRS via your bank. Keep all documents and pay TCS. And don't swap your international credit card for Dubai property payment. So yes, you can own your Dubai dream home, but only if you pay by the book and the banking channel. If this saved you from a costly mistake, hit like and share it with your friends and drop your questions in the comment box. And don't forget to subscribe our channel for more financial insights.